Hi friends, today we can discuss the exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. So before going to procedure of exact differential equation, first we have to, before going to exact differential equation, first you have to know the procedure. Procedure of the exact differential equation. First is general equation. General equation. General equation is mdx plus ndy equal to 0. mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Next, condition for exactness. Condition for exactness. Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Next, general solution. General solution for exactness. So what is the general solution is m dx plus n dy equal to c. M y as constant, n it does not contain x. 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 Does not contain x. So this is a procedure. First we have to maintain the exact differential equation. We have to solve the exact differential equation by three steps. First one is general equation. We have to identify how can we identify the general equation. Exact differential equation means by using this method mdx plus ndy equal to 0 and condition for exact dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Next, general solution. Integration mdx plus integration ndy equal to c. Y as a constant, it does not contain x. Now the first one, we have to explain the exact differential equation by problem. Now solution is solve 2xy plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x plus minus 1. 2x minus y plus 1. 2x minus y minus 1 into dy equal to 0. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now solution given first write down the equation 2xy minus 1 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy equal to 0. This I assume this one is equation 1. Now you can write down the our general equation. Write down the general equation. What's our general equation? mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Assume this one is equation 2. Now you can compare equation 1 and equation 2. Now you can compare equation 1 and equation 2. Now you can compare equation 1 and equation 2. Now you can assume that how can you compare means can you see here the dx is beside of this one. Here dx is beside of m. So m equal to 2x minus y plus 1. Now n equal to 2y minus x minus 1. If you compare means you get this equation. If you compare, you can get this one. Now check the condition either it is exact or not. Check either it is exact or not. So how can now you can differentiate with respect to y. M is differentiate with respect to y. N is differentiate with respect to x. So dou m by dou y. So we are going to differentiate with respect to y. We are going to differentiate with respect to x. Y means it will become a 0 minus, if we differentiate y with respect to y means we get 1 and plus 0. So at last what you get? Minus 1. So here dou n by dou x, dou n by dou x, dou n by dou x. So now you can differentiate y, you get the answer as 0 minus x is differentiate with x means 1 minus 0. So dou n by dou x equal to minus 1. Now what you observe here? Therefore dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So therefore given equation therefore given equation is exact. Therefore given equation is exact. Therefore given equation is exact. Now the third step is, this one is first step, this one is second step, and now the third step is general solution. So what's our general solution? What's our general solution? Integration m dx plus integration n dy equal to c. Y as constant, it does not contain x. It does not contain x. So now write down, here you write down. So what is the m value? Integration 2x minus y plus 1 into dx, 2x minus 1 plus 1 into dx, plus integration does not contain x. So 2y minus 1 into dy equal to 0. Here y as constant, it does not contain x. It does not contain x. So now integration x into dx minus y 1 into dx plus integration 1 into dx 2 y into dy minus 1 into dy equal to c. Now we know the small formula, integration of x power of n into dx is x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integration 1 into dx is x, integration 1 into dy is y. This is the minimum basic formulas. So in Kaleshwari, we can teach the question, all of the questions with basics. All of the question with basics. All of the questions with basics. We can explain the questions with the basics, and we can develop the zero student into high we can teach the classes with zero level and person to person with every student, and we can give the 100% pass in our coaching institute. We can give the 100% pass result in our coaching institute. So if you require any tuitions, please contact Kaleshwar Institute of Maths and Science. This is our contact number. We can provide the classes in online also, and in our institute we can take the classes person to person and batch wise also. Now we can continue the question. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus y. Integration 1 to dx is x plus integration 1 to dx is x plus 2. Integration y means y square by 2 minus y. Integration 1 into dy is y equal to c. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So answer is x square minus xy plus x plus y square minus y equal to c. Thank you.